Hi, to remove category icons in Mail on iPhone 16e, firstly let's open Mail, and now we got this new update which includes those category icons, and to remove them from here we need to click on three dots and switch from categories to list view. And now as you can see, those icons on the top are gone. But we got those icons as well, so we can remove them too. For that, you need to go in Phone's Settings. From here, scroll to last section Apps. And now we need to find Mail in the list. I'm gonna use my search bar to manually find it. After that, scroll till section Message List. And now just disable to show contact photos by tapping on the switcher so it will be white. And that's it, let's test it. I'm gonna open Mail again and yep, no icons. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.